All right, so today's lesson we are going to be talking about sorting, counting, and graphing candy. Many scientists gather, organize, and study data or information as part of their jobs and their research. First, they must gather data. Then they can organize the data in ways that help them understand and use it. One way scientists organize data is by making graphs. So we are going to gather data and make a graph. The Census Bureau uses the census to gather data, including how many people live in each home. They also gather data such as each person's name, birthday, and age. And so we are going to gather data about chocolate candies. So we have 20 chocolate candies here, and we are going to sort them out by color. So we'll put our blue ones over here. We have orange and red and brown and green and yellow. So those are all sorted out. Now we are going to count each number, count the color of each candy, and record how many of each color there are on our graph. So let's start with red. We have one red candy. So we are going to count, I'm going to put that here. We are going to count up one square, one red candy. So we have graphed the red candies. Next we'll do orange. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 orange candies. So we will graph 7 orange candies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And we will color that in. We'll just do it quickly, not neatly. All right, next we will do the yellow candies. So we have one yellow candy. So we will count up one square and graph the one yellow candy. Next we will do green. So for green we have 2 candies. Write our 2 in there. Then we will count up 2 squares, 1, 2, and graph our green candies. Next we will do blue. So for our blue candies we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 blue candies. So we will count up to 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and color in our 6 squares. Again, quickly, not neatly. Then brown, we will count our brown candies. We have 1, 2, 3 brown candies. So we will count up to 3, 1, 2, 3, and we will graph our brown candies. All right, so we have our graph all filled in. Now we can use this data. We have organized it. We can use this data to check and see which amount of candies we had the most of. We can see up here that 7 orange candies was the most. 6 was next. We can look and see which amount of candies was the fewest. We have 2 that only had 1. So this is a way we can graph, organize, sort, graph, organize with candy. And the best part of this experiment is that when we're done, we can eat the candies.